Here's the latest news for Red Deer in central Alberta. Healthcare workers in Red Deer are asking for more support from the province. Dozens rallied outside the Red Deer Regional Hospital this week. Workers joined thousands of others from across the province for a day of unity, standing with the Health Science Association of Alberta. That's the union that represents many healthcare workers in the province. Earlier this month, union members voted against the most recent contract offer from the province. The union says it didn't do enough to address ongoing challenges.
Albertans deserve the expert medical care and the treatment delivered by a team of well-supported and well-resourced healthcare professionals in this province. But right now, unsustainable workloads, constant short staffing, severe burnout of our members on the front lines are driving these critical professions out of healthcare and out of this province.
The union has not provided strike notice, but says it is working towards it. The province says it's aware of the rallies and is committed to reaching a fair and fiscally responsible agreement. Lacombe County is reminding people now is a good time to start testing for radon levels in your home. Radon is an invisible, tasteless, and odorless gas linked to lung cancer. Radon concentration levels differ from house to house and from area to area. Fall and winter are better times to test for radon as it accumulates more when windows and doors are closed. Health Canada recommends a long-term testing period of at least 3 months for better accuracy. Radon test kits can be purchased online. A woman in Red Deer is using her life experience to help people in need. Jasmine Pelche is the Indigenous Wellness Coordinator at the Red Deer Regional Hospital. She's Anishinaabe and is using her experiences to help others like her in her role. She helps advocate for Indigenous patients and traditional healing methods. She says though her work can take an emotional toll, she wouldn't change it for the world.
Some days are harder than others. Some days are easier than others. It's tough when you go home and you're like, I really hope they're okay. Like I can't help but to care because there's just times when I'm like, I feel it so deeply but I work through it just like anyone would.
Other staff members say Pelche brings patients a sense of calm in moments of uncertainty or mistrust. She also advocates for better outpatient access and cultural programming for patients once they've been discharged. The Spirit of Red Deer is hosting Oktoberfest this weekend. Tonight, there's a comedy show featuring Pauly Shore and former SNL cast member Chris Redd. Tomorrow night, there will be a live band and DJ. You must be over 18 to attend. The event runs at Westerner Park in the exhibition hall. Doors open at 6:30 p.m. Head to spiritofreddeer.com for more information. The popular Kick It to the Curb event is back in Ponoka. Starting today, people can leave items at the front of their property and mark them free with a sign. Items left over after October 8th should be taken back inside or dropped off for donation by the owner. For more information, go online to ponoka.ca. And just a reminder, if you would like to watch any of these stories again, you can catch them on our YouTube channel. Just search CTV News Red Deer.
We're heading into the first official weekend of October, and things are below seasonal for Saturday and a little unsettled as well. So 9 degrees is our high for Red Deer. We'll start things off with a mix of sun and cloud, but then towards noon, lunch hour, those clouds will start rolling in. Lots of rain in the forecast for much of southern Alberta and west of Rocky Mountain House. Rocky Mountain House, 7 degrees, 9 in Lacombe, Stettler, and Innisfail. So just be sure to have your umbrella handy on Saturday. Sunday, things look good. Sunny weather and 10 degrees. Here's a look at the rest of your 5-day forecast.